Hi friends, it's Miss Carolyn here, and I made a mistake. We are on week 3 of our spelling words. We go down. There we go. Definitely review week 1 and 2, but our focus this week will be on spelling list 3. And so we are going to spell our word. We are going to read our word. I will put the word in a sentence, and I would love for you to try and make a sentence with your spelling words as well. And also we will talk about what sound each word begins with and ends with. Here we go. I, T, S. It's. It's a pig. What sound does it begin with? Eh, eh, eh. That's right. And what sound does it end with? It's. S. It ends with s. Job. Next word. M O T H E R. Mother. Your mother is your parent. My mother is a girl. Mother. What sound does it begin with? It begins with the letter M, which makes the sound. Mother. And it ends with Next word. Let's spell it. Help me out. R-O-U-N-D. Round. That ball is round. What sound does round end with? Round. D. It ends with D. D, d, d. Next word. Finally. Finally, I'm done with my homework. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y. What sound does it begin with? Finally. It ends with that's right, like fish. Finally. Next word. T W O. 2. I will plant 2 seeds. 2. What sound does 2 begin with? T, 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 t. 2. And last one, friends. Let's spell it together. S-A-M-E. Same. Those plants look the same. What sound does same begin with? Same. It begins with s. S. Great job, everyone. Thanks for listening. And please write your words every day and read them, okay? And you'll be reading in no time. See you soon. Bye.